A program to add two numbers. So we are using variable s to represent the first number. We assign the whatever we were inputting into the variable f. Now I need to use int function. Int function is used to convert a value into integer. So we are using input function to enter the values, to accept the value from the screen, from the keyboard. So enter the first value. So that input will be used to accept value to be entered. Then s will represent the second number, and use that same int also to convert whatever you are inputting into integer. I want you to note that Python is case sensitive. Enter the second number. We are entering the second number. Python is case sensitive. If you decide the keywords are always in small letter, second value. I've entered the second value. Now I can use ANS to represent, to hold the results. So F plus S will be stored in ANS. So let's use print function, which is part of Python keywords for outputting your results. The result is, I'll put it outside the quote, comma, ANS, what has been stored here. So let's run our program. Enter the first value, 25. Good. The answer is 90. Assuming if I did not concatenate it, if I did not apply int function to convert the string value being entered, will have concatenated the results. So int is used to convert to integer number. So this program is all about how to add two integer numbers. Thanks.